What's good, guys? It's your boy Frankie T, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be talking about crypto, but before I get into that, if you are loving the content, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, every subscribe, every like is much appreciated, but we're going to get right into it. So, as you guys know, over the past year, we had stimulus checks, we had the unemployment, child tax credits. We're seeing a lot of things, you know, that are funny money being put into the economy. And we saw in 2020 with Dogecoin, we saw Bitcoin get some huge gains in 2020 in its relation with, you know, inflation. So our inflation numbers have gotten really bad, about 5.4%. I think it was from month over month from this past month. And as we see, you know, my general consensus for crypto is it's going to be very, very bullish. So as I spoke about in the channel previously, you know, I'm very, very bearish on the stock market, but when it comes to crypto, I'm very, very bullish, as well as real estate, as I mentioned in my previous videos that I can link in the description and, you know, somewhere up here. But, you know, it's honestly, you know, as we've seen, crypto is a great opportunity based off in 2020. And now, because, you know, with inflation going up, if you have been to the store, you see that the prices of everything around us is going up. It's just ticking up. You know, things are getting more and more expensive. Expected things to get more and more expensive because of shortages. And honestly, you know, with the whole mandating of the vaccine in like places like New York, I think LA as well, if I'm not mistaken, also did it, I'm not sure. But with things like that happening, this might, you know, change, you know, the markets a little bit, where people will maybe want to start getting into crypto, more and more influx of crypto. We had the infrastructure bill passed with Joe Biden, and the crypto tax bills in with that too as well. So there are a lot of things right now that are in potential to push crypto higher and go even more bullish, because again, in times of inflation, people typically want to hold gold, but because gold has always been an asset that everybody has always wanted over time, humans has just always looked at gold as a premium. It's just something to have. In every recession, gold always got, you know, very, very expensive. So, you know, right now gold has been dropping a lot. So, you know, you can tell that the crypto markets are the assets getting a lot of money coming in. And so with that being said, you know, crypto might be the investors' number one thing to hold during a, you know, recession or during inflation. So just want to keep guys in mind of it, you know, that crypto is something great that you can get into, you know, start stocking up some money on that, whether it's Bitcoin or any crypto that you've been researching. I personally, as you guys know, I'm holding Dogecoin. Dogecoin is something that to me is going to go really maybe to $10 in the future. So we'll see what happens. But you know, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing. And getting into REITs is another great thing to get into as well. So, you know, there are plenty of opportunities or potential opportunities that are coming up right now during this time. And just kind of remember, with all the inflation that's going on, you know, when inflation is happening, assets are moving up in price. So you want to take advantage and get into those assets, have some money in those assets, whether it's stocks, whether it's real estate, you know, because keeping cash right now, keeping cash can be a good thing for you as well, but you know, at the same time, you don't want to have to keep cash with no purpose. If you don't have any purpose, you're just saving money just to save it, not a good idea. If you have that money you can go put in the markets and whatnot, do that. For me, I'm saving my money for you know, getting myself a potential property. So that's what's in the works for me. But just wanted to highlight this to you guys and just kind of keep in mind as well on the infrastructure bill, because it will give us huge details on what we can see with crypto and what's going on with that. You know, with the miners and software developers with crypto. So just keep that in mind, and I'll give an update with that too, with Joe Biden's infrastructure bill, because it has, I think it passed in the Senate, so they're just drawing up a statement or whatever, all of the jargon that comes with writing these bills and stuff to be passed to Biden, and of course, sure, he's gonna sign it, bipartisan bill. So just keep that in mind. But aside from that, you know, if you learned some, you know, good info or whatnot, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe again. Like I said, I really appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.
Hey, T-Mills, hey, I need that guap in my hand. 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 I need that guap in my hand.